Welcome everyone to the workshop. Well, my bad. You want some? I'm just kidding. Prostitution is illegal in some states. But anyways guys, welcome to the workshop. Basically this is my new YouTube account. I'm basically going to be doing real life stuff with you guys, skits, crap like that, because, well, I'm an actor, so why not, you know? Why not act? I don't know what that is, but
What are you doing, little fat boy?
what? Who the hell are you?
I'm your new roommate, Jean.
What? Roommate? What the f-
Yes, your puppy rented out your top bunk for me.
He rented out my top bunk? What the fuck?
Hey, you little faggot, get your ass back in here.
There's your puppy now. Coming, puppy.
What? What the fuck was that? God damn it. Oh well. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy my new channel. This is just introduction, and I just want to show you guys around. Nice room, right? So I hope you guys enjoy everything I make, and subscribe. Bye. I just died if you couldn't tell.